Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss KMU-CAT 2025 test preparation part 1d. Here in this video we will discuss the top most important and most repeated MCQs related to the KMU-CAT test. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें। Which of the following structures is part of the digestive system but not involved in digestion? Option A stomach, B pancreas, C liver, and option D esophagus. So the correct option is D, esophagus. Explanation is, the esophagus is a muscular tube that transports food from mouth to the stomach but does not participate in digestion. Digestion primarily occurs in stomach and small intestine. The hormone responsible for regulating the sleep-wake cycle is option A adrenaline, B melatonin, C cortisol, and option D serotonin. So the correct option is B melatonin. Melatonin is produced by pineal gland in response to darkness. It helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle, also known as circadian rhythm. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from our technologist. So this is very important MCQs. Which of the following is responsible for the formation of urine? Option A nephron, B glomerulus, C renal tubule, and option D all of the above. So the correct option is D, all of the above. The nephron is the functional unit of the kidney. It consists of the glomerulus, where blood filtration occurs, and the renal tubules, where reabsorption and secretion process take place to form urine. So this is very important MCQ. What is the function of the alveoli in the lungs? Option A oxygen transport, B gas exchange, C air filtration, and option D production of surfactant. So the correct option is B gas exchange. The alveoli are tiny air sacs in the lungs where gas exchange occurs. Oxygen from inhaled air diffuses into the blood and carbon dioxide from the blood is expelled during exhalation. Which part of the eye is responsible for focusing light into the retina? Option A iris, B lens, C cornea, and option D retina. So the correct option is B lens. The lens is responsible for the focusing light into the retina. It changes shape to focus light from objects at varying distance, a process known as accommodation. So this is very important MCQs. What is the primary function of the pancreas in digestion? Option A secrete bile for fat emulsification, B produces insulin and glucagon, C absorb nutrients, option D secretes digestive enzyme to break down food. So the correct option is D. Explanation is, the pancreas secretes digestive enzymes such as amylase, lipase, and proteases into the small intestine to aid in the breakdown of the carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. It also produces insulin and glucagon to regulate blood sugar level. Which of the following is responsible for the production of red blood cells. Option A spleen, B bone marrow, C kidneys, and option D liver. So the correct option is B bone marrow. The bone marrow is the primary site of blood cell production, include red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. This process is known as hematopoiesis. Which of the following is the largest gland in the human body? Option A pancreas, B spleen, C liver, and option D thyroid. So the correct option is C liver. The liver is the largest internal organ and gland in the human body. It has many functions, including detoxification, protein synthesis, and production of the biochemical necessary for digestion. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. So this is very important MCQs. Which of the following is the largest organ in the human body? Option A brain, B liver, C skin, and option D heart. So the correct option is C skin. The skin is the largest organ in the human body. It serves as protective barrier, regulates temperature, and enable sensory perception. Which part of the brain control the balance and coordination of the human body? Option A medulla oblongata, B cerebellum, C cerebrum, and option D thalamus. So the correct option is B cerebrum. Explanation is the cerebellum is responsible for coordinating voluntary movement, maintaining balance, and motor control. It helps fine-tune action and ensure smooth, accurate movements. Thank you for watching my videos.